Alexander Pushkin Street starts with Zhumabek Tashenov Street and finishes nearby Eurasia Trade Center. It crosses Ahmed Zhubanov, Janibek Tarhan, Yenisari, Abay and Shakarim Kudayberdioglu streets. Its length is 4,970 meters. Alexander Pushkin was a poet and the founder of Russian classic literature who was able to give a new impulse to the development and prosperity of Russian language. In Kazakh steppe, famous figures as Abay Kunanbayev and Ibray Altansarin translated Pushkin's works into Kazakh. Pushkin Street is located on the bank of Akbulak River. This locality people call Rowing Canal. Also, synagogue and scientific library are located alongside the street. You can also find the main campus of the leading university of Kazakhstan, Eurasia National University, named after Lev Gumilev, alongside Pushkin Street.